Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our first alternate card using elements from the January 2026 paper pumpkin kit called Special Delivery. So what have I got? I have got the plain bubble bath card base. Now, if you wanted to, you could cut this down and use this instead of using a whole card base. You could put it on some basic white if you want. I've taken one of the envelopes and I've cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4, and that's going to go over the top like that. I took this piece and I turned it over and I ran it through the Eyelet 3D embossing folder, and that is going to go in the middle like that. And then I took one of these stems here and I cut 2 of the flowers off. So let's get started on this. I am going to use the Sending Love stamp from the kit, and I am going to gold heat emboss the Sending Love on here. So I'm just going to line this up, pop it down like that. Okay, and let's cover that up. Use my gold embossing powder here. Just pick this up very carefully. There we go. And then I'm just going to sprinkle that on. Maybe to put some more on. And one more. Okay. And then I'm just going to put that off to the side. And then I'm going to heat emboss it. So it's going to get loud for just a minute. That's done. I'm just going to give it a minute to cool down, and we can start building the card. So I am just going to put this way off to the side so I don't accidentally flick it and knock it everywhere. Okay, so let's start building this card. I am going to adhere this down. So this is the envelope. Again, I've cut it down to 5 1/4 by 4, kind of standard mat size. Just to make sure I've got this the right way up, and I do. I want this to go this way around, and there we go. Then I'm going to flat mount this. I was thinking about dimensionalizing it, but I'm actually going to flat mount it, and I'm just going to put some adhesive around like that, and that's going to go right down in the middle like that. And then I'm going to dimensionalize the Sending Love. So I'm going to use the small dimensionals that are in the kit. So I'll just put one in each corner, and one in the middle maybe. And then I'll just peel all these backings off. And then we're going to pop this down like this, kind of in the middle, but a little bit off center, because the leaves and the flower are going to go on there as well. So I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive right there like that, and that's where the leaves are going to go. So I'm just going to tuck the leaves down into the adhesive there, and then I'm going to put adhesive on the back of the flower, and I'm just going to pop it down like that. So we've got lots of gold elements going on. We've got the gold in the center of the flower. We've got it in the edge of the greeting. And then we've got our heat embossed piece. And I just got these in my order. These are the adhesive backed metallic gems. So we are going to use some of these today. I'm going to use the small gold ones. It's like silver, copper, and gold in here. So I'm just going to pop one down like that, one up here like this, and then one in here like this. So again, these are the adhesive metal backed gems, and they are available now. And that is our first alternate project using elements from the January 2026 paper pumpkin kit. So stay tuned for one alternate every day this week.